Against the backdrop of strong corporate earnings growth driven by the continued economic recovery, OSK-UOB Unit Trust Management Berhad CEO Seng expects the FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI index to climb near to 1,460 points this year. Ho forecasts corporate earnings to grow 28% to 30% this year, that will in turn lift the benchmark index by 14% to 15% from last year closing at 1,272.8 points. Ho said that we are also focusing the foreign investors to make comeback to the country. He added that the company anticipates foreign interest, which has fallen to near historical low, to emerge in 1 month time the soonest. Also, Ho said many projects that had been earmarked under the government stimulus packages that had yet to start would be carried out this year. This would give another boost to the market sentiment. Ho was speaking to reporters at the launch of OSK-UOB Asia Consumer Fund today. Commenting on interest rate trend, Ho believes there won't be any hike in the next 6 months amidst the stability in the economy. OSK-UOB Unit Trust Management offer 400 million units of OSK-UOB Asia Consumer Fund at an initial price of 50 cents per unit. The fund is a feeder fund and invests into the United Asia Consumer Fund, which is managed by UOB Asset Management Limited, Singapore.
Nowadays, investors becoming more and more short-term. About 1 year, then about 6 months now. But basically, if investor would like to invest in this unit trust or mutual fund, they should take a more longer time frame, like 2 or 3 years at least. 2 or 3 years. Now, we are expecting this particular fund. You can see that only the mother fund in Singapore only launched about 3 months ago. The return is about 20%. But of course, last year was a very good year, and we expect the market to continue, but not as strong as last year. So we are expecting that this particular fund will yield consumer at least 15 to 18% per annum for the 2 or 3 years period.
Ho said the fund will allow investors to ride onto the anticipated consumer spending boom in Asia, considering the large and young population in the region. According to him, the fund will invest in Asian consumer stocks except for Japan.